Well, I think this uh, at the end of the day, it's a professionally satisfying outcome for me. And obviously, so far as the client is concerned, it's a great relief after 13 years of journey that he has gone through. The court has held in his favor on the issues that have been raised. So we are very glad with the outcome at the end of the day. So the procedure of the law is that when a person is acquitted, the law requires him to execute a bond in case the other side wants to go in appeal. So that formality is in progress right now. He will execute the bond in a little while. So there is an amendment to the law in 2009 which requires him to execute a bond even if he is acquitted. Anybody who is acquitted also has to be execute a bond. So that's only a procedure of the law. I think मैंने बताया कि प्रोफेशनली सेटिस्फाइंग है. सभी इश्यूज हमने जो कैनवास किए थे उनके ऊपर कोर्ट ने डिसीजन दे दिया है. They have held in favor of Salman on all the issues. He has gone through a long journey. बहुत ही 13 साल की जर्नी थी. सभी इश्यूज एक्सेप्ट किए. जो अशोक सिंह था वो भी एक्सेप्ट किया था कि पुलिस को पता था 2002 में कि ड्राइवर ड्राइव कर रहे थे. वो सिर्फ कुछ इश्यूज एक्सेप्ट किया है. वो कह रहे हैं कि प्रोसिक्यूशन है वो इशू मुद्दे पर सफिशिएंट एविडेंस नहीं दिया है कि सलमान खान ड्राइव कर रहे थे और सर्कमस्टेंसेस है जिसमें पता चलता है कि शायद कोई दूसरा ड्राइव कर रहा है.